Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your baby girl Bianca Girls. My name's Bianca Girls on Facebook. On my page is Mondo de Bellezza. I'll be leaving it on the screen, okay? Mondo de Bellezza is my page where I do makeup and other things over there. And on Instagram, you can find me by Bianca/makeover And at the same time, if today is your first time of coming across this amazing channel, what are you waiting for not subscribing? I beg of you, kindly hit the red button. And as you subscribe, make sure you on the notification bell so that whenever I update, you will be the first to be notified. And yeah, that is it. Don't forget to give like to any video you watch because like are very important, much important. Okay, like and you view, you share out is so important to us, we YouTuber. Thank you so much for tuning in. My whole subscribers, my returning subscribers, may God in heaven bless every one of you for tuning back again. Is your baby girl Bianca Girls. Today I'm going for a review, and the review that I'm going for is the Sephora over here that I went out for, and this is all we have inside here. We are going to be doing it step by step, okay? No rush, don't rush, okay? So we are going to be doing it step by step. The first thing to do, I hope you are subscribed, is to use the hairbrush over here, because last time I just went to take something like something that I need. It's not that I needed it just for a video. This is eyeliner, eyebrow, this eyebrow liner, and yeah, you know, now I'm gonna be reading everything. It's from Sephora. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know how you guys gonna see this eyebrow. It's from Sephora though. So guys, now I'm going to be using this eyebrow. It's just 12 euro, but before that, make sure you prime your eyes before you draw your eyebrow. I did that off camera, okay? I don't think this is very color that I'm using.